Assalamu alaikum friends. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope so that all of you happy and well. So in today's video viewers, welcome back to my sorry. Today we are making something super cute and colorful felt flowers matching challenge. First, grab your favorite felt sheets. I am using pink, yellow and green. Cut small circle for petal and fold them in half. Glue them edges to give them a nice petal shape. Make about 5 petals for each flowers. Now cut a small round piece of felt as a base. Glue all the petals in a circle and add a button or pearl in the center for that perfect finishing. Your beautiful felt flower is ready. Viewers, let's turn this into a garland. Cut small leaves. From green felt and glue them along a stitch. Now attach your flower one by one with hot glue. Space them evenly, and there you go. You just made a stunning garland that you can hang in your room, use for party decor, or even gift someone. Friends, so if you try this craft, don't forget to share your creativity with me in the comment, and if you enjoy this video, hit like, subscribe for more and I will see you in the next one.